Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a full site on Google Sites. Let's go into it. So, we're typing Google Sites on Google, Comet the Robot, click on the first link. Here you will be logged into official Google site account with your active email. Let's change this email, let's put in my primary email here. So, click on OK, click on plus button here. So here is your header of your site, so we can add some images here. Let's add an image. Example image, click open. Now you can click on integrate to integrate URL, and here you have a separator. You can add a YouTube link. For example, you can add a Google Maps card. So let's add a Google Maps here. Select, for example. And here we added Google Maps on our website. You can also add a forum. Let's add a forum-free web banner. Click on insert. So here we added our forum to our website. So you get the idea, guys. You can add as many elements as you want. So these are social links. Let's add some social links. Click on insert. You're adding some social links here. You can add graphs. Let's have some graphs. Let's see. You can add some themes here. Example, a theme already, our theme. So this is pretty much it, guys. You added elements. Our new website and Google Sites. If you found this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.